What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
So a couple of months ago, I came across HUT8, a Bitcoin mining company which I thought was massively undervalued. When I posted a video about it on this channel, the stock was trading around $6.40. The share price right now is around $7.30, and I think this company still has a lot of room to run. Stick around till the end of the video because I'll provide you with a quick overview of why I like this company, what the upcoming catalysts are, and also my price target for HUT8. HUT8 are one of the largest public Bitcoin miners in the world. They provide investors with exposure to Bitcoin without the technical complexity of purchasing it. It's also important to note that HUT8 have over 3,000 Bitcoins on their balance sheet, as opposed to RIOT that only has 830 Bitcoins. RIOT has a mining capacity of 842 petahashes per second, whereas HUT8 has over 1000 petahashes per second. But when you compare HUT8's market cap with RIOT, you can see that RIOT is more than double in terms of market capitalization. The reason for this disparity, in my opinion, is because there's a lot of people that don't know about HUT8. This company has some really interesting competitive advantages over its peers. One of the biggest costs associated with mining Bitcoin is the cost of electricity. HUT8 uses a combination of natural gas and wind power to reduce the operational cost. Further to this, they've also negotiated their rent and property taxes to minimal levels, which further reduces their operational costs. On the 25th of March, HUT8 is going to release their full year-end financials for 2020. The following is a note from the CEO about the upcoming financials. We are proudly Canadian and hold the highest amount of self-mined Bitcoin of any publicly traded mining company in the world. HUT8 has one of the highest installed mining capacities in its class and is actively mining Bitcoin today. We are excited to share HUT8's year-end results for fiscal 2020 with the public. Our new leadership team is focused on growth, innovation, and increased revenue diversification. We look forward to announcing our results to date and showcasing HUT8's strength and momentum. Now, personally, I think the financials are going to impress a lot of people and we'll finally start getting some analyst coverage on the stock and some price targets. I think provided Bitcoin continues to climb, there's no reason why HUT8 shouldn't see $20 in the next 6 months. The bottom line with this company is simple. It's undervalued when compared to its peers like RIOT and Mara. If you go on Yahoo Finance and StockTwits, you'll see that you only have a few thousand people following HUT8, whereas there's over 70,000 people following RIOT. The fact that they have over 3,000 Bitcoin on their balance sheet is a big thing in itself. And as the price of Bitcoin goes up, so does the value of the company. I believe in Bitcoin long term, which is why I'd rather invest in a Bitcoin mining company that holds on to their mined coins. Soon enough, people will start flocking over to HUT8, and that's when we should see a big push in the share price. But listen, I'm not bashing RIOT or Mara. I like these companies as well, but I feel HUT8 provides more value for money at this point in time. Anyways guys, let me know what you think about this company by leaving a comment below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.